So today we are introducing our new SOC Analyst course at Techonquer. So today I'll be introducing our new course specially designed for the SOC Analyst and the who want to make future in the SOC field. So this course is not just a theoretical overview, it's built to provide hand-on experience in cybersecurity. This course focusing on the role of a cyber defender within the security operations center. So throughout this course you will be encounter real life scenario where you will be feel like you are truly working as a cyber defender protecting organization from other cyber threats. This course designed to immerse you in the day-to-day operation of defending against cyber threats and attacks, including handling advanced precision threat and external attackers. So now we discuss about this our course. So this is basically around 2 to 3 months course with the live sessions on that this starting from the 28th March. This so now let's talk about the course syllabus. So the course program is to dive you in depth real world perspective on how cybersecurity professionals manage and defend against threat. If you want to view our course syllabus, you can click on the download syllabus now section and you can see the whole course section is this here. So security operations center fundamentals, there's the introduction is the SOC importance, types and tiers, performing monitoring, KPI and metrics for the SOC effectiveness. Here is the we are using the MITRE technique as a real hunting and the threat intelligence field. So we can cover here the types of threat intelligence, tactical operation and strategies, MITRE text frameworks, threat hunting techniques, identifying IOCs. So in this whole course duration we cover these all topics in that. So we move to the mastering of the SIEM tools like the SIEM architecture, how the SIEM architecture is working on is a real life scenario, and the rule creation and the hands on the QRadar, IBM QRadar and Splunk. So we move further of this course, we can proactive vulnerability management in that course, we can identify how we network how we done and do network scans, web scans and cloud scans. So we can covering all these parts in this course. When we move further to the next part of the incident response section where we identify how we run and integrated with the EDR, and we discuss about this in this part about the EDR working, XDR working of the endpoint detection and preparation, detection, containment, recovery and review part of this section. We covering all this. After that we move to network security monitoring and automation. There's a we discover about the packet analyzing through Wireshark and TCP dumps. We discuss about in this section is the IDS, IPS, Snort and Suricata. Then move to SOAR part, that is the automation and the playbook creation. After that we move to the securing cloud environment, shared responsibility, common threats and tools and logging system on the AWS cloud trial and Azure monitor. After that you check the SOC tools mastery where we cover in this program with the SIEM, IBM QRadar and Splunk. There's some open source vulnerability scanning tools, threat hunting tools and EDRs. So there is a get in touch with our team with email, phone number and website and location. We are the right now we working for the Bangalore and Jaipur. So we move back to again our site. So here's the enrollment section. If you click on that section, you go to payment section. The payment is we describe as the payment section is a two part. The first is a direct payment. The course start from the 28th March and fee is the only 3500 INR. You can even pay into 2 installments to make it easier to get started. Plus you will get lifetime access to recorded sessions, so you can always review what you will learn that time. So if you want to one time payment, you can click here. Back from the our website again. So we discuss about the our benefit of enrolling a Techonquer Certificate of SOC Analyst. So this basically this course not only for the students. This is the who want to jumpstart their cybersecurity career. This is basically designed for the all students, IT professional, freelancers, cybersecurity enthusiasts who are eager to learn and latest technique and tools. So now you might be wondering, do I need prior experience in cybersecurity? So directly say no, you don't need any experience before that. This course is designed for everyone, whatever you will be just starting or already you have some experience in the field of cybersecurity. So we will take you from the fundamental to advanced topic like EDR, SOAR and clouds. So at the end of this course you will be not only gain the valuable technical skills, but you also receive the Techonquer certificate. So which will be give you a competitive edge in the job market.